Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, 2002. 1. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, can arrest individuals without a warrant if they have material evidence suggesting involvement in money laundering. 2. Under PMLA, the burden of proof lies with the prosecution to establish that a property is linked to money laundering. Which of the statements above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. Under Section 19 of PMLA, ED officers can arrest without a warrant based on material evidence, subject to prior written approval from senior officials. Statement 2 is incorrect. Section 24 of PMLA shifts the burden of proof to the accused, not the prosecution, to demonstrate that a property is untainted. The PMLA primarily deals with preventing the process of making illegally obtained funds, proceeds of crime, appear legitimate. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, is the central agency responsible for investigating offences and prosecuting offenders under the PMLA. Under the PMLA, regulated entities such as banks are required to keep comprehensive records and report transactions that exceed prescribed thresholds. Consider the following statements regarding artificial intelligence, AI. 1. AI systems can perform tasks such as natural language processing, image recognition, and decision-making without explicit human intervention. 2. Machine learning, a subset of AI, relies solely on supervised learning and does not include unsupervised or reinforcement learning techniques. 3. Ethical concerns surrounding AI include issues related to bias, privacy, and the potential for job displacement in various industries. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer: B. 1 and 3 only. Statement 1 is correct. AI systems are designed to perform tasks like natural language processing, image recognition, and decision-making autonomously. Statement 2 is incorrect. Machine learning includes supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning techniques, not just supervised learning. Statement 3 is correct. Ethical concerns in AI include bias in algorithms, privacy violations, and the potential for job displacement due to automation. AI is a branch of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. AI has a massive and growing impact across numerous fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and many others. Its applications are far from limited to computer science.